Good morning, everyone. The topic that we will be seeing today is about cost benefit analysis. We have already seen what is the usage of cost, why this cost and these benefits are most important to us. There are many factors which enhance on this, and many factors which determine why we need the cost and why the cost has to be clearly mentioned, and what are the cost benefits, and what are the other factors that we have to ensure that these are taken care of, and what are the other beneficial activities. And when it comes to the cost, how do we manage this cost, and how do we make an analysis of all this? All these plays a very predominant role in the making and the analysis of the overall process. So there are two important things that we will have to make a note of when it comes to the cost benefit analysis. There are two things that we will have to most importantly compare and make a beneficiary vote. One is the expected cost and the other one is the expected benefits. So what is an expected cost? Cost is something that which the income, the sort of income that we are expecting. When we make a project, obviously we will be waiting for some income, and what is the expected cost and the analysis that we are making on that. So this is one of the important expected costs that we will have to make through. And the next one is the expected benefits. So when it comes to the expected benefits, when you are making a project and you have delivered it very successfully, the next thing that you will be expecting is the benefit. So when you are making it successfully, you have entered into the market, then obviously your market value rises, and the people when your market value is high, the people would obviously come searching for you, and your business would also be into a profitable manner. So when all these combine together, the expected costs and the benefits that you get when you make a successful project is the expected benefit. So when you are making this, there are some issues as well. So estimating the cost. So what is estimation of cost is? So when you are making an analysis, so you will have some estimation, right? So when it comes to the making of some estimation, you will not be able to declare the appropriate value. You will have some approx value only. Only the approximate value will be able to figured out, and then we will have the estimation benefits. So the benefits that we get out of this will also be a sort of approximate. We will not be able to judge, or we will not be able to predetermine as what are the benefits that we are going to achieve out of this. And then we have the cost benefit analysis in two steps. Identifying and estimating all of the costs and benefits of carrying out the project and operating the delivered application. Expressing the costs and benefits in common units, cost benefit analysis, cost estimation, estimate cost to compare with benefits or other investment options, overall estimation based on estimation of required activities, structure, estimation of each activity, estimation of installation, setup cost, estimation of operational cost. Difficult as a lot of these are estimates. Estimation errors cascade. So when told earlier, this estimation is something of a drawback. So what happens is that when we are not able to predetermine anything, when we are not able to tell anything predominantly, then obviously it will be going into an approximate value only. So when we go to the approximate value, there are various changes that could happen with the approximate value and the real value. So when there are so many changes that occur while we are making all these, so you will not be able to predetermine certain success values also, certain benefits also. Then cost benefit analysis, cost category. There we have the develop cost. Development cost is nothing but when you are making a project, every cost that you make for the development of the project comes under this development cost. Setup cost, operational cost. Setup cost is nothing but we cannot just start working of a project into an open field or something. We need to set up an infrastructure. We need this resources. We need certain tools. We need certain softwares, and we also need certain categories, and we also need some human resources. We need various setup in order to start making of this project. Then we have the operational costs for making of an operation, making of this project. We will obviously need some various operational tasks that has to be done. So in order to make these tasks, you will have to make some operational values. So when these operational values are added to it, so these operational costs are also determined. And then we have the cost benefit analysis, development costs, salaries, base, incentives, and bonuses. So when a person or the person who is working below you is working overtime, then we obviously have to give them incentives and bonuses. And then working or not, every person who is working under you has to be given salary, and the base salary and incentives, bonus, all these will come under this cost benefit analysis, development cost. So it is for the development of this project that they work on, right? So for them, we will have to provide this incentives. And then equipment for development. So there are two important equipments that you need for the development of the project, and that is the hardware and the software. Hardware is something that we need in order to save something, where you will save the making of the project. And then the software is something which helps you to make this project. And then cost benefit analysis, setup cost, hardware and software infrastructure, recruitment or staff training, installation and conversion costs, cost benefit analysis, operational costs, costs of the operating the system once it has been installed, support costs, hosting costs, licensing costs, maintenance costs, backup costs. And then we have the a cost benefit analysis, benefit estimation. Estimation benefits of new system based on estimation of cost saving and money generation and when deployed. Value of information obtained for objective driven project. Value of intangibles, cost benefit analysis, benefit types. Then there we have the direct benefits, indirect benefits, intangible benefits. Cost benefit analysis, direct benefits, directly accountable to the new system. Cost savings, example, less staff, less paper, quicker turnaround. Money generation, example, new net revenue stream, new markets, measurable after system is operational, have to be estimated for cost benefit analysis. Cost benefit analysis, intangible benefits, positive side effects of new system, external system, increased branding, entry to new markets. Internal system, increased interest in job for users, enabler for other system, often very specific to a project, not measurable even after a system is operational, part of strategic decision rather than cost or benefit analysis. So these are some of the factors which in general make the making of the cost benefit analysis. So with this, we'll conclude the session. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.